Hey y'all, this is Bigfoot Brett. We're gonna be introducing the Beast and the Super Beast today. We're gonna go through some key components and add-ons that we can do to this trailer. As always, we're gonna start from the front and work our way back. We're gonna start here with the Demco Easy Latch coupler. It has a 4-bolt grid system on it, so you're able to adjust it to the height of your vehicle or towing vehicle. We use a 1/2-inch steel plate that is the foundation of the Demco coupler, fully welded out, moving its way back to the I-beam here. We use a 10-inch on 19 pounds per foot I-beam that runs all the way to the rear end of this trailer to give it massive support. On the inside of the I-beam here, we have our breakaway system. It's gonna be a fully encased, watertight harness with all LED lighting, plug and play. It's got a flow charger in it so that when you're having it hooked to your vehicle, it charges the battery inside so that it doesn't die, because if it dies and your trailer does come disconnected, the brakes will not work as they're supposed to. On our Beast and Super Beast, we use 1/2-inch chains. We like to say at Bigfoot that if your trailer comes disconnected, it'll flip the dump truck before it flips the trailer. So we run dual heavy-duty jacks on here. They're 12,000-pound jacks each with a spring-loaded leg on them. These are made for heavy equipment, being able to take it off of your vehicle without having to take the equipment off of the trailer. On all of our Super Beasts and Beast trailers, we run rub rail down both sides, fully welded out with a 6-inch channel upper frame. And then if you look under here on these trailers, we put these gusset supports to support the outside load. When you're driving these big machines up here, excavators, bulldozers, huge skid steers, you're getting a lot of support on the outside of the trailer. Here at Bigfoot Trailers, we only use Dexter axles. We've partnered with them to put the best quality axle under our trailers. They stand by their product with a 5-year warranty on their axles. On all of our Beast trailers, we run a 5-foot dovetail. So if you order a 25-foot trailer, it'll be 20 foot of flat deck, 5 foot of dovetail. The dovetail runs about 10 degrees, so you have a nice angle coming up onto this trailer. It's not too steep, it's not too shallow, you're not gonna be dragging the ground. And then moving back to a 2-inch by 8-inch structural tubing as the rear end of this trailer. These are the standard ramps that come on our Beast and Super Beast trailers. It's gonna have 3 pieces of 4-inch channel topped with 2x2 angle. We can customize just about any part of the trailer, specifically the ramps. Here at Bigfoot Trailers, we pride ourselves in building a quality product. That's why we back it with a 5-year structural warranty. So on all of our trailers, we use a really high quality paint. It's a 2-part epoxy primer with a 2-part urethane top coat / Emron. This is the same kind of paint they use on skid steers, semi-trucks, and ships. And if you want to get your hands on a Bigfoot trailer, give us a call or visit our website, bigfoottrailers.net.